Hello guys, welcome to this new video. In this video, we will be looking at HP Victus 16. So we'll do the unboxing of HP Victus 16, which is a gaming laptop launched in 2022. This model is Intel i5 12th generation processor, which comes with 12,500H processor. So 12,500H processor consists of 4 performance core and 8 efficiency cores. So we get a 12 core processor with 16 threads. So let's start unboxing. So first we can see we get a power cord or power cable as we see, and we get the 200 watt power adapter. So it is a gaming laptop, so it's require high power efficiency. So we have a 200 power watt adapter for gaming, advanced power supply to the laptop when we do gaming or live streaming or anything. It is a very much big in size. It is bigger than the 20,000 mAh MI lap power bank too. Now we quick take out the laptop. So when we take out the laptop, we get the HP quick guide, setup guide, or we can say the manual. We have also the product information and everything. So it is a U version. We don't get a lot of product specification guide or anything like we get in India. This laptop feels heavy in the hand. It weighs approximately 2.5 kilos, so it's heavy for the gaming laptop. But it is a gaming laptop, so it has the advanced GPU and stuff. So we cannot complain about that. We get a LAN port on one side, HDMI, USB-A port, and a USB-C port. We also get the micro SD card reader and the 3.5mm jack. On the other side, we get only two USB-A ports. The product quality, the laptop quality does not look that cheap as we considered when we buy a good laptop at a cheaper price, or the gaming laptop at a cheaper price. So we consider that the product must be having a bad quality or something. No, this product has a good quality. Let me check the wobble of the screen, as many creators do check that the Victus has more wobble than any other laptop. So let me try. Yeah, it has a wobble in it when I open it, but when you use on a flat surface, you type, it does not wobble anymore. But yes, when you open it or when you close it, it has a wobble. The keyboard layout is very much good, and it feels sturdy. The keyboard feels sturdy. The bottom body of the laptop feels sturdy. It is very much good. But yes, the screen has a wobble. So to find a solution for it for the next laptop version of the HP Victus. Now first we will try to switch on. If it is a battery, then it will start, and we will see how much time it takes to start on, power on. As we see, for the first boot I pressed twice the power button and it did not start. On the second time it start. So it takes time for the first time, but I guess it is the first boot up, so it takes time. But as we install, set up everything on the computer, I feel that it will not lag or anything. So from now I will do the setup, and if you want to see the more video on HP Victus, or if you want to try some games or anything, please do comment in the section. By the way, this video is edited on HP Victus, this laptop, so it is not edited on a proxy. It is directly edited on the 4K video which was recorded by my phone. So if you like the video, please do share and subscribe to the channel and help us grow more. I will see you next time.